Imagine a multicultural student team at RMIT working on a group assignment. The team is diverse, creative, and globally representative. However, some members speak confidently and lead discussion, while others remain silent. Misunderstanding occurs, deadline approach, and collaboration weakens. Diversity brings opportunity, but without effective management, it also brings challenges. Good evening, members of Multicultural Committee. As a consultant from Social People Consulting, I am Amelia and proposing a project to investigate a multicultural challenge currently affecting RMIT. In this proposal, I will identify the challenge, present the problem statement, clarify its context, and justify why this issue is strategically important for RMIT's sustainable growth. The challenge that I propose to investigate is unequal participation and intercultural communication breakdown in multicultural student teams at RMIT. The problem that I propose to investigate is that unequal participation in multicultural student teams significantly influence collaboration effectiveness at RMIT. According to the course, culture is learned, shared, and tactic. Students do not inherit cultural behavior biologically, they learn them. These learned norms influence how they think, communicate, prioritize, and behave. Culture shapes cognition, attitude, and behavior. When culturally diverse students are placed in teams, differences in communication style, authority perception, and conflict management naturally emerge. Where I'll be talking the framework below. Hofstede's framework explains how power distance and individualism influence participation behavior. Hall communication theory explains high context and low context communication differences. These differences can create communication barriers, coordination complexity, and reduce cohesion, which are identified disadvantages of culturally diverse teams. However, multicultural teams also offer enhanced creativity and broader perception. The issue, therefore, is not the diversity itself, it is how diversity is managed within the teams. From a team level perspective, an effective team must achieve task performance, member satisfaction, and team learning. When participation is unequal, these three dimensions are compromised. First, task performance declines because ideas are not fully shared. Second, member satisfaction decreases when individuals feel excluded or marginalized. Third, team learning weakens because knowledge exchange is limited. Research on collective intelligence shows that team performance depends on equal participation and social sensitivity. Therefore, unequal participation does not merely affect one assignment, it affects the whole team overall collective intelligence. From an organization perspective, RMIT aims to prepare graduates for global workplace. If students struggle to collaborate across culture within the classroom, this undermines RMIT's strategic positioning as a global university. Furthermore, cross-cultural communication challenges often stem from limited cultural intelligence, defined as an individual capability to function effectively across culture. Students may misinterpret behavior formed in groups or engage in conformity without critical discussion. If this is left unaddressed, this may normalize exclusion and reduce the benefit of diversity. This consultancy project will investigate the cultural mechanism underlying unequal participation in student teams. By identifying patterns of communication breakdown, conformity, pressure, and participation imbalance. The project will generate evidence-based recommendation grounded in cross-cultural management theory. The benefit extend across stakeholders. Students gain from improved in-cultural competence. Academic staff gain clearer frameworks for managing multicultural teams, and RMIT strengthens its collective intelligence and maximizes the advantage of diversity. This transforms multicultural diversity from a coordination challenge into a strategic capability. In conclusion, I have proposed to investigate unequal participation and intercultural communication breakdown in multicultural student teams at RMIT. I've also demonstrated that these challenges significantly influence collaboration effectiveness, team performance, and RMIT's sustainable growth. Supported by cross-cultural management theories on culture, communication, team effectiveness, and cultural intelligence, this project offers RMIT a strategic opportunity to manage diversity. Diversity not only automatically a strength, it becomes a strength when it is managed effectively. With that, thank you.